Hey, it's Bethany from Reality Daydream, and today I want to talk to you about how we've been living in a construction zone, we are without a kitchen, and life is so crazy. So in order to regain some control of my life and feel a little bit more organized, I've been hitting corners and closets and cleaning and organizing different areas of my house. And today I'm going to talk to you about our utility closet and show you how I implemented some organizational hacks in that space.
This post is brought to you by National Hardware. So we have this weird little room that kind of has a mudroom feel, but it isn't a mudroom because there's no exterior door. But this closet that we keep all of our cleaning supplies in, as you can see, it's just a hot mess, so we're gonna do something about it today. I started out by emptying the closet and cleaning everything out with a wet washcloth, and then I used a 1x2 to create braces for my pegboard. After installing the pegboard, I primed and painted. Choosing this adjustable storage system because I love how it just kind of grabs a hold of all my longer things like the broom and the mop and that kind of thing. And it comes in, it goes all the way up to 64 inches actually, so that's really handy. We line the back of the cabinet with pegboard, and we use National Hardware's utility hooks to hang all of our vacuum parts and our dustpans, things like that. And then these little guys here are called the National Hardware parts trays, and they're very handy for lots of little things, sponges, and we actually have some of our utility hooks in there for extras. And then up top here we have their household hanger, which is so handy for some of the smaller things that aren't quite big enough to hang up over here on those guys. Finally, over here we use National Hardware's coat hooks to put up here kind of sideways and hold on to our ironing board.
Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a big thumbs up and a subscribe down below.